To use Google Wallet for tickets, you need to have a Google account and the Google Wallet app installed on your device. First, open the Google Wallet app and sign in with your Google account if you have not already done so. Next, navigate to the Tickets tab in the Google Wallet app where you can view and manage all your tickets. To add a ticket to Google Wallet, you will typically receive an email or notification from the ticket issuer with a link to add the ticket to your Google Wallet. Click on the link and follow the prompts to add the ticket to your Google Wallet. You can also add tickets directly from the Google Wallet app by scanning a ticket QR code or barcode. To do this, open the Google Wallet app and tap the plus icon in the top right corner, then select Scan Ticket Code and point your camera at the QR code or barcode on your ticket. Once the ticket is added to your Google Wallet, you can view the ticket details including the event name, date, time, and venue. You can also use Google Wallet to access your ticket at the event by opening the Google Wallet app and selecting the ticket you want to use. It is a good idea to make sure your device is fully charged and you have a stable internet connection before heading to the event to ensure you can access your ticket when you need it. Additionally, you can use Google Wallet to share tickets with friends or family members by opening the Google Wallet app and selecting the ticket you want to share, then tapping the share icon and entering the email address of the person you want to share the ticket with. Overall, using Google Wallet for tickets is a convenient and easy way to manage and access your tickets, and with these steps you can start using Google Wallet for tickets today.